Hi guys, this is Ruby with MRV Financial. Thank you so much for checking in with us today for our topic of the week on this beautiful monthly. As always, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our social media. We are on YouTube, Facebook, Anchor, and Spotify. So let's get on with our topic for today. Today's topic is amended forms 1040X. What is this form? How do I use it? When do I use it? What does it mean to me? So an amended tax return basically is a correction form to a previous tax file of yours. Let's say that last year you noticed an error on your tax file. That is the next form to do. So you would come back to your tax preparer and say, hey, I noticed an error. You know what? I forgot to give you this extra W-2, or I forgot to give you a 1098 form. And you know what? There's too many dependents, or there's not enough dependents. You get the gist of it. There was an error made to this form, and now you need to fix it. Go back to your tax accountant. They'll be able to tell you, what the process is for that, how it's going to change your file, and if there's going to be any tax liability or a tax refund due to you. Ask about if there's any interest that will be charged to your account, as the IRS may charge some interest. So we covered when you would file it. There is a tax deadline of 3 years. You have up to 3 years to file it. Let's say you forgot to file your taxes. This is the same form as well, and you have up to 3 years to file a previous year tax return. Again, they will charge some interest to that. So check that out. What else? So the cons to it is it has to be done manually. It cannot be submitted electronically. That means that you have to make sure that there's no errors on it. You have to make sure that you attach all of the documents that you are, the additional, like let's say a W-2 or whatever was missed, you need to attach that with it, because the IRS can take up to 16 weeks or more to get to your file. So if there's additional errors within the correction form to fix other errors, well, that's going to take longer. And I believe that is the gist of today's topic. So again, an amended form is a correction form to a previous tax file. So if you think there's an error in your tax file, be sure to reach out to your tax representative. If you have any questions in regards to the tax code, please don't forget to visit the IRS. And as always, if you have any questions for us, please don't forget to reach out to us. And again, so this brings me to our closing. This is Ruby with MRV Financial. Thank you so much for monthlying with me today. And don't forget to follow us on our medias. Bye-bye.